Yeah. Hey, so it's 7 o'clock. So before we officially get started, where is everybody from? Type in your country, region, state, province, whatever. See where people are. We probably got everybody all over. Vietnam, sweet. Ohio, Bristol, UK. Oh, that's Philly, Italy. Really a fantastic man. Ragu, India, Colorado, Gary. That's so. Oh, more people coming in now too. All right. Woo. Massachusetts, Czech Republic. Yep. Raleigh. Keith, are you going to be at ECO next week? Keith Cutler. Maybe. I got a big Ash hands-on workshop I'm doing. Whew. I think I'm ready for it. Yeah. Awesome. East Coast, Charlotte, Bapati. Bapani. Maybe. Depends on Florence. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Well, let's hope that works out well. I got a plane trip to do and everything. So, okay. Fantastic. Well, thanks for being chatty. If you guys have any questions, if you want to ask Kaley when he gets going, just go ahead and type those in. Kaley, feel free to answer the questions like right away or wait till the end or just ignore them. It's totally up to you. I'm so serious.
All right.
Sometimes questions can throw you off when you're doing stuff and all that. So,
fair enough.
All right. So, hey, I want to welcome everybody to Tune Your SQL Without Hints or Indexes. Kaley's gonna give us some. He's gonna do it. It's gonna be awesome. I've been waiting for this for quite a while here, and we've been talking about it for months and months and months, and it's actually gonna happen. So I'm really excited about this. But I just want to say a couple of things because we got a bunch of new members now that just came in the last couple of weeks. So if you're a new member, or even if you're not a new member, you're welcome to join the onboarding webinar. Okay, and if you've done one of those in the past, it's a little different than it was before, so you can check it out. If you know what I'm going to cover, go to the registration page. So you need to register for this. Okay, it's not just I'm going to send you a password. It's all automated and all that kind of stuff. So just go. It's a normal OraPub event, so you can register just like if you're like an LVC or something like that. Okay. It's September 26th, so it's a couple weeks away, but not that far away. All right, so all new members and existing members are welcome to join that, and I'll be running that. The other thing, my next LVC coming up, I got an Ash LVC coming up, and that's I don't know, when's that coming up? October 9th is the first session. Okay, so if you're interested in that, that would be awesome. And the last thing, and if you have any questions about that, email me, okay? Because people have questions. The other thing is like I have a new class, this performance engineering. I'm breaking out my performance engineering classes into 1, 2, and 3. Only 1 and 2 are available now. The first one, Core Truth, this is for everybody, okay? And to help people understand what it's about, I did a little video. It's like a 3-minute video. So if you're interested, if you're kind of curious, like what does this even mean? You need to watch the video, okay? I also have a video for the for the Ash class also at the top of its page as well. So you might want to check that out. Okay, that's a lot of intro, and that's it for right now. The last thing, when this is recorded, I will blank this out because this is just for OraPub members right now. Kaley was awesome enough to kind of write some stuff, okay? And put this in a PDF file for us. So this is the URL, and you guys can download this directly. You don't have to go through any password stuff or anything like that. And I will also put this in a big text file at the end of the webinar as well, so you can actually see that. In fact, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put this right out here since my screen's being shared. So if you guys want to screenshot that, okay, let me see if I can actually make that bigger for you. Okay, just screenshot it right there. And then you should be able to download that like right now. Okay, if you missed that, click the chat and I will put this up at the end of the webinar. Okay, so I'm going to take it down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's gone. All right. All right. Here we go. All right, Kaley, you all set?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. So I think I need to give you host control and then make sure you share your screen.
Okay.
Okay. And then, okay, you should be host.
Okay. Let's see if I
I know it's always tougher when you actually have to do it. Right?
Do that.
Here we go. All right. There we go. Okay. So, hey, can everybody see Kaley's screen? It'll say, you know, the East Coast Oracle user group. Yes. Fantastic. All right. Now, if for some reason you can't hear or something weird happens, start chatting. Okay. And I'll try and back Kaley up and, you know, take care of the weird techie stuff if we need to. Other than that, Kaley, you're on, man. Go.
All right, cool. So, first of all, thanks for coming out. My gosh, I was expecting about 6 people. It's nice to see so many people here. Got a lot of material. Please don't be offended if I take your questions and I ask to move them to the end of the presentation, just because this is going to last a long time. With that, let's go ahead and get started. There are a number of SQL tuning there's a number of SQL tuning resources out there. And a lot of them will tell you that the very first step of SQL tuning is to look at the executions plan. And I say, that's a bad idea, right? Your very first thing that you should be doing whenever you tune SQL is you want to look at the query. Why would you want to do something crazy like that? Well, you might be able to rewrite your query to be more efficient. And you're going, well, hold on. I could change my execution plan, right? With hints and with indexes, and I could focus on tweaking my execution plan. Or I could rewrite my query to run faster. So why should I pick rewriting the query as opposed to tweaking the execution plan with hints, profiles, and baselines, and indexes, and those sorts of things? Well, the way that you phrase your SQL is going to determine your SQL query's maximum efficiency. Said a different way, if you have a really well-written query, you have 2 different options, right? You could have a really good execution plan, or you could have a really bad execution plan, or you could have something in the middle. If you have a really poorly written query, you're going to have a bad execution plan. You might be able to bring it up somewhat by using indexes, by using hints, by changing the join order, but if you have a poorly phrased SQL statement, you're going to have certain inefficiencies built directly into your SQL, and there's going to be a limit on how far you can bring it up. So if you want the most efficient SQL possible, then you want to start looking at the query first. Whenever you look at the query, there are 2 different perspectives that you want to take on. The first thing is